Hey y'all, this is a highly requested video, so if you want those twists, keep watching. This is just me showing you guys the mirror as far as how I'm able to do my hair. I start out by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, but first, let me show you everything that you're going to need to do this style. Don't worry, I'm still going to put everything in the description box below so you guys can check that out. I'm starting my first row with 3 twists, and as you go up in rows, the number of twists should go up as well. So for my next one, I did 4 and so on. Here's the final look of the back, and you can see that I did 6 rows in total. For the front, I part my hair down the middle, making 2 sections. On each side, I will have 4 rows. I will start my first with 2, then the second with 3, and the third with 3, and the fourth with 4. When doing a knotless braid, you want to take your piece of hair that you already separated and split it into 2. If you start small and then build your way up, your twist will come out better. When starting your knotless braid, you have to section your hair into 3 pieces. When braiding, I braid down my real hair 2 times before I add in my braided pieces. Once I add in my braided pieces, I braid that down 3 times. After the 3rd time, here I am showing you how you will split that middle piece in half to transfer it to the other pieces. We are now ready to start twisting. Make sure you're twisting with gel because you're going to need something that's going to hold your twist to stay. This is me adding the hair in. You literally push and twist your hair separately before making your whole twist. You do that the whole way down, so I'm gonna just stop talking and let you guys watch. You guys also asked about the curly pieces, and I'm literally showing you. You take the curly piece and you slide it through your hands. Take some jam and you literally just twist down the same way that you added the braiding hair. In order to secure your twist, you're going to take a small piece, wrap it around the twist. Well, I should say loop it around the twist. And you're going to pull it through that hole. If you feel like you need extra security, you can do it again. And you can even use nail glue to make sure that that knot isn't going anywhere at all. Okay, now that I demonstrated a little bit for you guys, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And I will come back when I'm about to dip my hair.
Feeling alone. I catch you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere, nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop.
Woo, okay, now that we're finally done, I love these twists. I did these smaller than the ones that I did in the video for vacation, but I really like this size. So the first thing we're gonna do is do our edges. I'm taking Got To Be and Braid Formula, and I'll mix those because it just works for me. But I always say do what works for you. This is the Ebin Wonder Bond Freeze Spray. When I tell y'all, this has my edges moving nowhere. This is such a good hold, but again, this is what I use and it works for me, so you guys can try it out. I'm taking my Flexi Rods and I'm wrapping my hair around it. This is how we're going to curl our ends. After all that work, you're gonna need some type of moisture, so I go in with the olive oil braid sheen, and this has my scalp feeling so refreshed and cooled down. I got this kettle from Amazon. If you want to check that out, just look in the description box below. I'm old school, y'all. I'm going in with my pink sheen spray. We're gonna spray that, give our hair a nice little shine. After I take my Flexi Rods out, this is how they are looking. And yeah, this is pretty much the final look of my hair. And it's so cute, ain't it?